whatever it is that you want in your life, there is a project that is going to take you there. There is a project that is going to push your skills, push your knowledge, push your everything to the next level where you actually get that thing. So, for coding, this is your next project. Again, there is a project that will take your skill to the next level. It applies to everything in our lives. There's some project that will improve your abilities and force you to level up. Whatever the skill is, you can view it as your project. You can you can treat everything in your life as a project. That's one of the things I have heard before. You're just one project away from a better life. How long should it take? This is your coding project. How long should it take? How long do you think it should take? It took me around 1 month to get that project to the level that I was pretty satisfied with. It looked decent and everything. It might take you however long it will. If you chose another project, determine the length of the project, choose how much of your life is going to be dedicated to the project, and I would suggest that everything beyond your responsibilities is going to be dedicated completely to that project. That is, if you have a work, if you have a family, if you are taking care of something, you have to do it. Every second of your free time beyond that is dedicated to this project. No amount wasted, no amount of time wasted, no entertainment or anything like that. Everything in your life is dedicated to solely to this project. And yeah, 1 month is a pretty good, reasonable amount of time. What the fuck is that project then? It is your website. It's going to sound weird, but you need your website. What whatever you whatever kind of developer you are, you need your website. First of all, it's your own address on the internet. Second of all, it might work like a portfolio, probably will. It's going to be way better than any kind of file or document. It's going to look professional. That's the most important part. Especially if you're trying to free yourself with entrepreneurship, you need your website because it is professional. And in that world, you need to be professional. The core technology of the website. There's database, there's server, and there's front end. That's it. Database is obviously for storing data. I would recommend Mongo Postgres. Server is for your website to live somewhere. Next.js, Django, Laravel, these are the frameworks that you're going to build your server with. And where they would be deployed is kind of different every time. I would suggest Vercel with Next.js. That's it. This is by far the easiest thing to do. Front end is how your website looks and shows the data. I would suggest React or Vue. These are the JavaScript library frameworks. So then, the core functions to implement. CRUD. Any kind of website out there, it uses this principle. Create, read, update, and delete. This applies to literally any kind of data. Anything there is on the website that is stored in the database, it applies CRUD. Create, delete, update, and read. You have some data, you manipulate it with CRUD. The second feature, the core feature, is users and authentication. This one is huge. Again, every single website uses this, and understanding how to implement this is golden. There are a million ways to do it. JWT, Google Auth, GitHub Auth, whatever it is. Try all of them. maybe even create something of your own. I don't know. Just try to come up with something. If you're using Next.js, I would recommend Next.auth or just using JWT. What should it have? Blog. I know you hate writing, but this is a pretty good start for that. Blog is maybe kind of essential for a single person website or something like that. It is essential that you have it. Just having a landing page is cool, but having a website, which is a blog, is more professional. It's just better. Plus, you're going to up your skills. If you don't know how to make a blog with those technologies, you're going to level up a lot because it's going to use literally everything that you need. Admin panel. This is for you to be able to manage all the shit you wrote. Main page, something creative and related to you, kinda. It's like people going to your website, they see it. This is the first impression, so come up with some good shit, okay? About you. This one's interesting because I don't have it. I have no idea how to kind of package my life story, but if you make it good, it might be like it might be golden on your website. Your story about you. Contacts. This is for the people to get in touch with you. It's purely for kind of to make connections. That's it. You can add contacts form as well. That's way better because people are going to reach out to you. But anyway, okay. Look, because I'm so fucking nice, I will link to you the routes that you need to implement. Just look at this and try to fucking implement that. I'm not going to go over them. I just don't fucking want to. Because I'm so fucking nice. How to work on this project. Okay, this slide is probably the most important part of this entire video. For now, this project is the most important part of your life beyond your responsibilities. If you have a job, your job comes first. If you have to pay rent, your rent comes first. If you have a family, definitely your family comes first. But everything outside of that is dedicated to your project, to this particular project. Every single second of your free time is dedicated to this project. If you have a question and you're going on public transport or something, Google it. Fucking try to use that time because every single second of your time is dedicated to this project. Nothing else. You need to completely change how you view your life, yourself, and your work. Because from this point on, this is your fucking work. You need to work on this. You need to become another person. You need to become a more capable, more stronger, more capable person. Because, again, you're just one project away from a better life. One project is going to take your skills to the next level. That's the point. You're going to become more capable. Again, this is fucking important. This is about how you actually fucking commit to something in your life for once and then see it through. Fucking finish it. This is fucking important. The tools to work on this project. I just have to mention this because it's so fucking important. AI. Use AI tools as much as you can. There is no fucking cheating thing anymore. No. If you're not using AI for coding, you're a fucking idiot. Because there are going to be people who leverage AI to the point where they don't even have to code anything. I don't know how to do that yet because AI can't do that yet. It comes up with some shit. But to get the gist of things, to get the snippets of code, it's perfect. Don't fucking style your own shit. Don't fucking try to come up with some function that generates random keys or something. Fucking use AI for that. If you can use AI design tools as well, that you just tell it what you want, your style, your primary colors, and then it just gives it to you. There are tools like that. If you think it's cheating, then you're a fucking idiot, because even writing in JavaScript then is cheating. Write in C. Better fucking yet, write in binary, motherfucker. Better yet, fucking, I don't know, make your own computer. Yeah, it's not cheating. Use AI as much as you fucking can. This is important because if you're trying to level up your coding, this is the next evolutionary step in this whole field of coding. AI is going to be used extensively, and you need that shit. I'm going to give you one system that will take you to somewhere you can't even imagine in the future. And it's that you need to do shit one step at a time, step by step, one foot forward in front of the other, without ever quitting. One step. As simple as that. You just need to do one step right now, just one fucking step. One rep, one step, one line of code, one word of code, one step at a time. That's all you need.